Math Tutorial 101, our topic for today is addition of similar rational algebraic expressions. Kapag sinabi pong similar rational algebraic expressions, pareho po sila ng denominator. Okay po? So, how are we going to add? Let's have example number 1. So, the given is 3x over 5 plus 2x over 5. Since similar ang ating rational algebraic expression, copy lang po natin yung denominator, copy same denominator, and we're going to add the numerators. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung numerators natin ay like terms. So, we can combine. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. Then, next step, we are going to simplify. Since ang numerators ka denominator natin ay pwede pang i-simplify. So, divide natin 5x divided by 5. Cancel natin si 5 and 5 because 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So, ang natira po ay x. So, 3x over 5 plus 2x over 5 is equal to x. Okay?